If your home is not on fire yet, now is the time for you to protect it before it's too late, because all it takes is 10 minutes for a small spike from an extension board to turn to a home fire and burn down a whole apartment. Anytime I say this, people be like, God forbid it will never happen to me. But if so, then why is the Ghana National Fire Service responding to almost 50 fires every single day? Or is it the same people burning their homes over and over again? Today I'm going to share with you some of the most common causes of fires in Ghanaian homes, and after watching this video you will tell me whether you're living safe or sleeping on a time bomb. You don't want to miss any part of this video, so just stay with me. Welcome back. My name is Wilberforce and this is Safety Line GH. So today we are going to focus on fires that begin from the bedroom and living room. Most people think fires only come from the kitchen, but fires don't come with expectations. That's why it gets people all the time. So number one, turning on appliances when there is blackout. People intentionally turn on the radio, even the ceiling fan when there is blackout, thinking when the light is back, these things will signal them so that they can get back to whatever they were doing, especially to charge their phones. But at times the connection comes back so strong that the motor in the ceiling fan cannot stand the energy, start heating up, and then cause fire. So I recommend, if you really need power back badly, you have to go check on it periodically rather than leaving appliances on. Number two, overloading sockets and extension boards. We still have rooms, especially rented places, with only 2-3 sockets in the room, and at times you have to manage them. So what most people do is they go get an extension board and then connect everything on it and then leave one slot and then extend them and then connect another extension board. And I'm going to be honest with you, most of the extension boards in the market are cheap Chinese products, so they don't even have surge protectors and those things. So if you load it, cables begin to go weak, melt one day, and strikes fire. Anything that regulates temperature needs its own socket. Number three, placing naked flames close to fuel. You may be wondering what naked flames are doing in someone's bedroom. I'm talking of candles, at times mosquito coils. People light mosquito coils and then set it so close to their bed. Maybe they want the smoke to kill the mosquitoes directly before it gets to them, which is so dangerous. It's rather safe to place it somewhere in the room that's no close to fuel sources. If you don't know what I mean by fuel, anything combustible, you can watch this video here, the Fire Tetrahedron, that will explain how every fire starts. So if you place candle or mosquito coil close to your bed or your curtains or anything of that sort, there is a very high risk if anything goes wrong. Number four, leaving appliances on to fake presence. I used to do this myself. Back then when I'm going out, I'll leave loud music on for people to think I'm inside just in case someone barges into the house. You should bear in mind that security is important, but fire won't wait for you before it strikes. Number five is misplacement of refrigerator. Here in Ghana, we press our fridge too close to the wall to save space. But hey, when you place the fridge too close to the wall, it blocks ventilation and traps heat between the wall and the fridge. So if you understand the fire tetrahedron, you know how easy that can cause fire. Just one day before you get back from town, I'm sorry, you are going to lose your whole house and even lives if you are not lucky. The last one is actually a tip. If you see anything risky, you should call in a professional. If you see any torn cable, any switch or socket that gets warm after being on for some time, call in a professional to attend to it. Most people ignore these things, and before you realize, that small spark you see on your socket or your switch that you see every evening when you turn it on is going to cause a house fire, and there's nothing you can do about. If you've heard something new about causes of fires in Ghanaian homes, kindly give this video a like, and then if you have any suggestions or comments, drop it down in the comment section and I would really like to check it out. And of course, I've been waiting to tell you this one. Our video last week was rewarded with our very first comment from Ifya Sparkling, and it was a great suggestion. So I can't wait to see your comments and your suggestions, or if you have any questions relating to fire safety, drop it down and I really would like to check it out. My name is Wilberforce and this is Safety Line GH. Until next time, stay ready and stay safe.